What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing great out there today. And today I'm going to cover why the price of drip doesn't ultimately matter. And yeah, it's something I've kind of alluded to before, and we've talked about this in the past, but I want to cover it today because, you know, from time to time we do see some FUD, not from the drip community itself, but from the outside looking in when the price of drip goes down. And I want to take a look at that today, show you guys why the price doesn't ultimately matter, and show you a couple other things here real quick too. So I did buy, we dropped a little bit today in price, so I did buy more drip. I bought another 44 tokens today, and I added them into my deposits. So we got that. So my deposit balance is up to 672 drip now. So we're gaining, we're growing. Oh, and my team, we now have 6 members on our team. So thank you guys. Actually, someone must have just joined because a second ago it was at 5. So we now have 6. So at 16 members, I greatly appreciate that. We're going to be doing a payout at the end of this video to one lucky team member like I do every week. And then going forward, I'm probably going to start doing some team payouts now that the team has grown. So we're going to keep doing this. And everyone that becomes a member on my team has a chance at getting free drip tokens on a weekly basis here. So more to that to come. I want to really jump into this, how to calculate what your drip balance could be worth here in about a year. So let's say you were just starting out, and let's say you just bought 50 drip, okay? So 50 drip, that's what, $300? So if you started in with 50 drip, and whoops, let's do, yeah, I didn't want to select a currency there. So yeah, 50 drip, daily return, 1% for 12 months. Or you could do a year, same thing. But we're going to do that. We're not taking out any of the taxes. We'll just for an example here, so just keep in mind that you'll have your drip taxes that are taken out anytime you hydrate or claim, okay? But let's calculate this. And so in a year, you'd go from 50 drip as your deposit balance to 1,889 as your deposit balance. Now, if the price just stayed the same all across the board and we were still at $6, we're just going to use $6, your balance that you would be getting paid out of daily would be at 11,334, and you multiply that by 1%, and that gives you $113 a day, or $3,400 a month. Not bad for just putting in $300 and hydrating it, okay? Now, obviously, that doesn't take into account the full max payout and all that, so just that stuff aside, I'm just showing you where your drip balance could be in a year. Now, if you really want to exponentially increase this, if you dollar cost average in, and we're just going to, for the sake of this example, we're going to just say you add 15 drip tokens a month at whatever price you buy them at, and we're going to calculate that in. Look at that. Your balance doubles here. So your daily balance doubles. So that's the power of drip. Drip would literally have to be almost non-existent for this to not make sense, for this to not, you know, grow within a year of you just hydrating. So the longer you hydrate, the bigger this balance grows. Okay, and that's why I'm a big advocate for drip. And I think it's going to get even bigger, and I think the price is obviously going to go way up. So I don't even think we're going to see a price drop drastically in drip. I think our price is going to increase. And once we get back out of the bear market and we get back into a bull market and people really start pounding funds in the drip, I think we're going to see those all-time highs again, which we were over $170 a drip token at one point. And so, you know, I don't want to get you too excited here, but if we were to shoot back up to that price point, and let's say it went back up to 170, then you're looking at 625,260 would be your daily balance that would be in your deposits. So That's pretty good. That's a pretty good wallet. And obviously at the height of the bull, we've seen people that had like $7 million drip wallets, some crazy numbers like that. So anyway, I just wanted to show you a little example. And the other thing that makes me bullish on this too, and why I do think drip's not going to go away. There are already 130,000 plus wallets connected to drip. And every month we're gaining right now. So for October, we have 2,770 new accounts that have been created on drip. And I showed this the other day, but where was this? Monthly new accounts. Last month, I think we had 6,199 new drip accounts last month. So every month we're gaining new accounts into this drip ecosystem. And with the animal farm coming up, this is going to go bonkers. I think this is going to go insane. Now, as always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. It's just my 2 cents. It's how I'm looking at drip. I'm excited for this protocol, and I think we will continue going up with this. Again, that's my take. So you do what you will. I'm going to stay in drip, and I'm going to keep hydrated, and I'm going to occasionally take out a claim here or there, but this is what I'm doing. Now let's jump down here and go to my team. Whoops, where are we here? So we will go down to team airdrop, use my address. Let's see, we're going to send out a reward to 1 player today, none. And let's send out 5 drip today. So we will run this. And there we go. We are going to send out drip to this wallet here. 5 drip. So here we go. Pay the fees here. And this should just take a second. And yeah, we'll do this. But thank you very much for being part of my team. And if you're not part of my team and you're part of drip, thank you for being in the ecosystem. It's awesome. It's one of my favorite places to make a passive income online. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm going to keep going forward with it. So guys, that's all I've got in this video. I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about why the price doesn't matter. Don't FUD, don't fear everything. Again, that's just my own personal opinion. And watch what happens when the animal farm comes out here. It's going to be pretty awesome. So stay tuned to that. Hope you guys are staying hydrated out there. And let me know what you guys think about drip in the video, in the comments below. Are you in drip yet? Are you going to get in drip? Are you still waiting? Let me know below. Let's talk. And you guys have an awesome day.